And for my next trick, I will drop the window with the push of a button. Seriously, there's no one in there. Now, what I did there wasn't exactly magic, but it is a lesser known feature that you probably have on your Hyundai vehicle, certainly if it's a newer model. To do the remote unlock function, I'm gonna first show you guys my key fob. You'll have to find the unlock button, which on our latest key, aka the egg key, is right over here. Now, to do remote window control, you'll press and hold unlock for about 4 seconds. Once you do that, the windows will drop all the way. Now, one thing I will say, the windows don't automatically close. If I were to press and hold lock, they will not slide back up. And on some vehicles, you'll notice more or less windows open. For example, on my old Kia Forte, only the driver's side went down. So I'm gonna hop in and explain to you why that is. Let's do it. All right, we're now inside my vehicle. The hot air has had a chance to escape, and I'm gonna show you guys what I see on my driver's door card that indicates which windows will open with remote window control. Now, right over here, we have my front 2 window switches, driver and passenger. You'll notice 2 small arrows upwards and downwards, and what that indicates is the express window function. So with one quick press, my window goes all the way up or all the way down. I don't have to hold it. And essentially, if your vehicle is equipped with express windows throughout all the rows, you will have all windows drop down when you use remote window control. If you only have that option for the driver, it'll only be the driver's window, like my Forte of the past. Now, there is one small hiccup, and that is the fact that this is a feature you have to make sure is turned on. So if you bought your Hyundai pre-owned and this isn't working for you, here's what you'll do. You'll first enter your head unit and slide on over to select Setup. Once you're in the Setup menu, you'll then click on Vehicle, and then we'll have a separate submenu for Door. Under Door, you'll scroll all the way to the bottom and make sure Open Windows Remotely is toggled to On. It's that easy, it's that simple. I hope this helps you guys. This is the first black car I've had, and it's starting to get really, really hot here in Canada. I'm really feeling it. So having the chance to let your windows drop down, that hot air escape a little bit, saves you. Let me know if you knew this, let me know if you didn't in the comments down below, and we hope to see more videos just like this. Bye-bye.